were to say the tips, one, definitely plan to stay in Kawaguchiko. Don't treat it as a day trip and just go there in the morning and come back by evening. That will not do justice to the beauty and essence of Kawaguchiko and Mount Fuji. So that's my first tip. Definitely try and spend a night or two at Kawaguchiko. The second tip would be to do your research in terms of which spots you want to cover, because depending on that, you need to choose the bus line and where and how to get to using the bus. Because obviously, as you can imagine, taxis are very expensive in Japan. So the bus is a nice cost-effective way of making your way around the town. So map out the destination you want to get to, and they have maps at the Kawaguchiko station about which colored bus lines go in which direction. They have all of that. So that is the second suggestion I would make. The third one is get up early or stay up late to really enjoy the essence of Kawaguchiko when it is tourist free. Being a tourist myself, I'm still saying that being tourist free, that is what you should certainly look to nudge yourself on and enjoy the essence of Kawaguchiko. Try their local udon and ramen, especially in winter. It's a great combination to have. And of course, if you want amazing pictures, make sure you choose your clothing appropriately depending on the kind of colors. For example, the Chureito Pagoda is red. The Oishi Garden had lavender colors there. You can really go pretty wild with the kind of color combinations that you can wear. But also, if you're going in winter, prepare for a very strong or harsh winter, I would say. We didn't experience snowfall. We would have liked to have a touch of it, but it was still pretty cold. So do prepare yourselves when it comes to the weather and wind, especially in Kawaguchiko.